Let's touch on some maintenance requirements for the system. Maintenance for this system is minimal. Just refill the distilled water reservoir as needed, completely drain and refill the system once a month by using the drain port, and that's it. Next, we'll go over some key safety mechanisms that are in this device. The 1800 Pro is engineered with more than 6 layers of safety protection. Low water protection to prevent overheating, large reservoir for thermal stability, internal fans for cooling and hydrogen dispersion in case of a leak.
Start using.
Gas water separators to ensure clean and pure hydrogen. Large heat vents for safe operation. Overheat protection notifying you when the device gets too warm. And gas block protection ensuring the system does not pressurize hydrogen gas. There's so much more where this comes from. If this video interests you, make sure you check out our full review of this product. At H2HUBB, we review all kinds of hydrogen therapy products, so be sure to subscribe to H2HUBB to check out our other reviews.